Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Zoho Show and signing in. This ensures your files autosave. Create a new presentation and select a template or choose blank to control layout. Once done, set the slide size, 16, 9 for screens, 4, 3 for older projectors, then pick a theme that matches your brand. Make sure to name the file immediately so version history tracks changes. You're now ready to add your first title slide and establish a consistent font and color palette. Next, focus on building slides and adding media so your message is clear. Use predefined layouts to speed content placement and maintain visual hierarchy. Drag placeholders or add text boxes for custom positioning. Insert images, icons, charts, or video, upload files or choose built-in assets, and optimize size to keep files responsive. When you need consistent branding, edit the master slide to set fonts, colors, and footers once and apply everywhere. Also learn to group elements and use alignment guides for polished results. To finish, rehearse in presenter view and refine timings and speaker notes so delivery matches visuals. Once satisfied, export as PPTX for PowerPoint, PDF for print, or publish online with link permissions. Make sure sharing settings are correct for collaborators. If something breaks, slides not rendering or fonts missing, clear browser cache, re-upload custom fonts, or export to PDF as a fallback. Finally, use version history to revert changes if needed, and invite a colleague to proof the final deck before presenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.